Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We are almost to Laughlin, Nevada. We're going to be staying at the Golden Nugget, which we haven't stayed there in
year and a half.
About a year and a half.
Because it was so disappointing.
Yeah, we used to love staying there.
It was always our go-to.
It was always where we stayed, and then the rooms just started getting sadder and sadder and sadder, and they weren't putting any money into them.
No.
I mean, like basic things like toilets not flushing and wallpaper peeling and on and on and on.
You know,
so
and we couldn't check in till 5, and then we couldn't get housekeeping service.
Yeah, true. So, even housekeeping was terrible.
It was just if you watch our last review of Golden Nugget, but we are really keeping our fingers crossed because if the rooms have been renovated, that'd be a really nice change for us.
Yeah, we've heard the river-facing rooms have been renovated, so fingers crossed. We got a good room. We had good service, everything else. Be sure to stay tuned till the end of the video. We're going to wrap it all up and let you know what we thought about our stay. We got checked in actually, and it's not even 1 o'clock yet. I can't believe it.
Yeah.
So coming in, obviously they pulled out the old gross carpet
and that was
put in the
one
laminate.
Of our complaints. Yeah.
So the laminate's great.
Yes.
So much easier to
clean.
clean.
That tile in the bathroom was terrible.
Yeah, it was.
Look, it's all really.
I don't know if you can. It's very hard to tell on video, I think, but yes, new tile on the floor, new faucet.
And that needed it.
And it used to be a shower tub combo. Do you want to see the pressure?
Yeah, let's see.
Let's see if it seems okay.
That's pretty good.
Okay.
I mean, and it gets hot.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll definitely let you guys know at the end of the video what we thought about the shower, but much better because it was so old.
And look, the lights are now redone.
Yeah. So here is closet area. They didn't change that, I don't think.
No.
So we do have 2 queen beds, and I swear I remember this artwork from the old rooms.
Yeah.
Right?
But this is new.
Yeah, because the other was pretty dated. So I don't know about the headboards. What do you think? Are those the same? I don't know either. But I'm so glad to see the laminate. Huge fridge. I remember we had this last time too. It's like a really good sized fridge for a room fridge. Couple of baby waters. There is a Keurig.
New TV.
TV looks good. Some big drawers and a little desk area here. And the air feels like it's working well, doesn't it?
Yeah,
and it's hot today. And our view is pretty dang nice. I got the pool, obviously the river. It's very windy, but a beautiful day. So,
First impressions.
And
was the ceiling popcorn or because it's nice now?
I don't remember.
I don't remember either, but it looks nice.
But yeah, it's definitely like been painted, right? Yeah, so it's not like dark and dingy or anything. So I would say our first impression, much better than our room last time. So be sure to stay tuned and we'll let you know what we think. we just checked out of Golden Nugget in Laughlin. We had basically written off the place because our last stay, our room was just so sad and run down.
It was so needed of a renovation.
Oh my gosh. And so we had heard at least the Riverview rooms were renovated, so we decided to give it another try, and we're really glad we did. And, you know, starting off with the parking structure to the registration and everything, it's wonderful because, you know, it's really hot right now, and you don't have to go out in the sun. You just stay in the parking structure, go right in. Registration is so convenient.
Right. It's probably the best location as far as Laughlin hotels, as far as getting to your tower.
Agree, because you're not going outside or whatever. Yeah, absolutely. And registration, they've definitely, you know, stepped up their game as far as ease of registration.
Yeah, you know, we used to laugh at how long it would take us because we'd have to like sign a bunch of stuff, and they had all kinds of paperwork. It just went on and on and on. And this time I got in and out, and we checked in early with no fee.
Yeah,
so
it was great.
It was great. It was like 1 o'clock.
It was 1 o'clock, yeah, and we were able to check in. Now, we did get our room comped, and I think we've kind of figured out that if you upgrade, so any kind of room upgrade, pay for that, you can check in early without
having to pay. Yeah, that seemed like
early.
what the Las Vegas lady described. As long as you pay for one upgrade, you don't have to pay again.
So we paid for a Riverview, which we absolutely believe is worth it, because otherwise you're staring at other rooms, you know, inside to the courtyard. And the Riverview is beautiful from those rooms.
I think it's $25 a night.
Is that what it is? Okay.
So
we were on the 3rd floor. There's 4 floors, and the 3rd floor we weren't really sure because we always like to be on the top floor. You don't hear anyone above you, but 3rd floor was great. Room 337,
so quiet,
and it was so quiet. Our view was beautiful, as you saw, and the renovation was so needed, and it's wonderful.
Yeah,
I'll tell you,
they did a great job.
They really did. I mean, from when you walk in, and they have the laminate floors now instead of the old gross carpet. Just feels cleaner.
It's so much lighter.
Yeah, it just feels better, doesn't it? The vibe is so much better in the room. Before it was like really depressing.
Yes.
No. So, and I think the biggest changes are seen in the bathroom, quite frankly, because the tile was like chipping before on the floor last room. The grout was like gross, and the bathtub. It was a bathtub shower combo.
And it was peeling.
It was peeling off. Yeah, I mean, it was just so bad, and the toilet didn't work.
The toilet was old and didn't work.
It was really bad. So, you know, new tile, brand new shower, nice glass doors.
A full shower door, not a half shower.
Yeah, and it's not like leaking water on the floor or anything. And the water pressure, what do you think?
It's probably like a 7 out of 10. It was decent. We've had a lot worse, but for you know, for those kind of shower heads, it was pretty decent.
Yeah, it was. And I will say it got smoking hot, which I love. Yeah, as far as like for anyone with long, thick hair, it's a tough go as far as if you want to like rinse out your shampoo or conditioner just because of the pressure. But you know, overall, I thought the shower was good. I mean, we've definitely had way worse. And brand new toilet flushed, worked well. We like that. New faucet in the bathroom. Worked well, didn't drip or anything. They did keep the same vanity. They painted like the undercarriage of it. So it looks a lot better. Don't know if that'll last, the paint, but you know, still a ton of counter space, which I've always liked, you know. And inside the room itself, the ceilings are painted,
nicely,
you know, no popcorn. I mean, just feels brighter with the ceiling painted as well. And the bed I thought was very comfortable.
New beds that are very comfortable with very comfortable linens and pillows. All new, because that was a complaint of ours last time. We thought the sheets were really stiff.
Oh, they were so stiff, like they've been bleached a million times, and I mean, which we're glad they're cleaning them. But oh my gosh, they were rough. They were like scratchy. So yeah, much better linens.
Much better towels.
Better towels too.
Really nice.
Yeah, and decent size, I thought. And brand new refrigerator, which was huge.
Yeah,
you know,
I know.
Really
it was
good size.
Very, very good size.
Yeah, and new TV, I'd say.
Brand new TV was great. Lots of channels.
Yeah, and their Wi-Fi is great, you guys. I was able to stream. It wasn't buffering or doing some crazy thing, which was fantastic as well. So if that's important to you.
Housekeeping. that was a problem for us last time. They didn't clean the room. They would just bring you towels and stuff. And this time they came and the room was spotless. So much better.
And they're so nice.
They are.
Their housekeeping people are
so much better.
kind. Yeah. And so the renovated rooms, all of the East Tower Riverview rooms have been renovated. They're still working on like the courtyard side, I guess you would call it.
Yeah.
And then the West Tower is completely done.
Right.
We spoke with a worker there, and he imagined that all of the East Tower will be done in a few months. So if you want to ensure you get a renovated room, definitely get the Riverview room just to make sure, because they were like several across from us, as you saw in the hallway, like still under construction or whatever. But we never heard them working or anything.
No, the room was so quiet. It really was.
It was really quiet. And so we're just thrilled that they did the reno too, because the location is fantastic. We like the property.
Yeah, it's a nice property. It's a quiet hotel. It's easy to get up and down the elevators.
Yeah, or stairs, because you're not up so high.
Only 4 floors.
Yeah, so we definitely are glad we went back and gave it another shot. And, hopefully they keep up the rooms. They did keep a lot of the furniture and just kind of paint it.
Yeah.
Hopefully that lasts. You can kind of see where it was already starting
to chip
a little bit. So hopefully they, stay on top of that and keep it looking, good as well. But,
and lastly, the checkout process. Now I get a text message and you can check out online, which they didn't have before. So that was easy. That made checking out really easy. And
true, because they were so old school before. Like everything was paper. It was just like
it's like, because I do want to see the bill. So,
but I mean, my goodness, make it easy for everybody, and it helps their front staff too. They don't have to check everyone out, and
big improvements.
Huge improvements, you guys. So let us know if you've tried the renovated rooms at Golden Nugget, what you thought. We totally recommend it.
Yep.
Great stay.
Yep.
As always, thanks for watching, and we really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button to help get our videos out there. And if you have any suggestions for us on places to stay, please let us know.